Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. This is Gaurav from Splash Fragrance India, and it's quite a long time I haven't posted any video. There have been many queries as to why we were not able to do review. There have been few crises we have been facing during the COVID situation, and now that we are free, I'm here at your very own Nainital, and today we'll treasure a very beautiful fragrance by the house of Rasasi. It's called as Atheer Cambodia. I am 100% sure that the fragrance enthusiast would be knowing about this fragrance because this fragrance was a hit even the time it was incepted. Let me show you how beautiful the bottle looks. And many of you guys know that this fragrance has been discontinued since last 4 years, if I'm not mistaken. And the best part is we have sourced more than 100 bottles in our arsenal to feature it on a website so that you can make a purchase. Now talking about the bottle, this is a neat looking fragrance bottle. If you can see, a very sleek and slender bottle with a metal cap. Let me show you how beautiful the mist is. If you can see that the fragrance sprayer gives out a very beautiful oomph of perfume. Guys, this fragrance, as the name suggests, is an oud fragrance which features Cambodian oud blended with Indonesian oud as well as Italian bergamot, making it a very good and very safe oud fragrance. It is not at all harsh as its counterpart Rue al Assam. Let me give you a brief that guys, Rasasi is into basic designer fragrances which range from 2000 rupees till 5000, and this one being their private line. They have Rue al Assam, Indonesian Oud, Atheer Cambodia, and so on and so forth. Rue al Assam gives an Indian Oud vibe, Asrar Indonesia gives an Indonesian Oud vibe, and this one being an Atheer Cambodia, this one gives an real Cambodian Oud smell. But this is a very safe smell and it is not fecal at all. It was launched 6 years back, and this fragrance has been getting compliments like crazy because this fragrance, being an oud, it gives such a beautiful aroma that you won't feel that there's a oud, but oud plays a very important role in the background. Very good stuff and very sexy masterpiece. Also, not to miss, guys, Atheer Cambodia is a masterpiece as well as masterpiece because this fragrance has an enormous sillage as well as projection, and expect a bare minimum of 12 to 14 hours longevity. Now that winter is coming, you guys can definitely rock and roll with this fragrance for a price point of 13,000 rupees for 50 ml. Thank you. So guys, stay tuned with me until the next time, and also stay tuned on our website so that you can see limited 100 bottles which we are getting to sell to our clients. Thank you so much. Till then, take care. Bye bye.